What's happening, Oliver? Is it flying? There we go. Good job. Where are we going? I'm recording.
Okay, guys, now you're gonna be seeing out the window. Bye, onions. Oh, and move your hand. We're taking off. Flying right out the window. Hey guys, you like this? You like this video? Please leave a like. This is the plane right now. Here's my mom. Here's my dad. Here's my aunt. Okay. So we forgot to do the entrance. Now we're just